What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add moving text to Clipchamp. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Clipchamp. After typing, you will be welcomed to this landing page of Clipchamp. So if you are new to Clipchamp and you want to sign in with your email and password, you can simply click on sign in and then sign in with your email and password. But if you want to directly start Clipchamp for free, simply click on try for free. And after clicking, you will be welcomed to the home page of Stripe. So now from here, as you can see the option of create a new video, click on it and then you create your new video from scratch. Now after coming here, click on import media and then import the video that you want. So let's say I want this video. After bringing it here, I'll just simply drag and drop it here on the timeline. So as you can see, this video has been entered into my timeline. Now from here, I will click on text on the left side. After clicking on text, here are some of the text styles. For example, I like this one. I will just simply drag and drop it here on the video. Yes, guys, on the video. So here you can see there are multiple text styles. When you click on see all of the text styles will appear. Whichever you like, just simply drag it by clicking it and drop it into the video. When you drop it, this purple layer will appear. When this appears, just simply leave your mouse or trackpad and then it will be added on the video. So this is how you can make or you can, let's say, add a custom text on the video in Clipchamp. So I can just extend it, extend the text according to my wish, the length of this text, and then I will just simply select it and then I can move it wherever I want. So this is how it is done. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.